Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS5 issue where certain PS5 games stop working after a PS5 update. First, power off your PS5 completely and wait for the PS5 to shut down fully. Now unplug the PS5 power cable from the PS5 to clear any temporary update glitches. Leave the PS5 unplugged for at least 30 seconds to reset PS5 power flow. Plug the power cable back into the PS5 firmly to ensure solid PS5 connection. Turn on the PS5 and try launching the same PS5 game again. If the PS5 game still doesn't start, go to the PS5 settings menu. Scroll to PS5 System and open the PS5 System Software section. Select PS5 System Software Update and check if the PS5 needs an additional update. Install any pending PS5 updates and restart your PS5. Try launching the PS5 game again to test the PS5 fix. If the PS5 issue continues, return to the PS5 home screen. Highlight the problematic PS5 game and press Options on the PS5 controller. Choose Check for Update to confirm the PS5 game itself is up to date. If the PS5 game update is available, install it and reboot your PS5. Test the PS5 game again to confirm the PS5 issue is solved. If not, go back to the PS5 options menu on that PS5 game. Select Delete to remove the PS5 game, but keep PS5 save data safe. Head to the PS5 library and reinstall the PS5 game from there. Once installed, restart the PS5 to refresh the PS5 system cache. Launch the PS5 game to check if the PS5 fix worked. If the PS5 still fails, it's time to rebuild the PS5 database. Turn off the PS5 completely and wait for the PS5 lights to switch off. Press and hold the PS5 power button until the PS5 beeps twice. Connect the PS5 controller with a cable to enter PS5 safe mode. Select Rebuild Database from the PS5 safe mode options. Let the PS5 complete the rebuild process without interrupting the PS5. After restart, test the PS5 game again on your PS5. If the PS5 issue remains, return to the PS5 safe mode menu. Choose Clear Cache and Rebuild Database to refresh PS5 system files. Wait for the PS5 to restart automatically after the cleanup. Try launching the PS5 game once more on your PS5. If the PS5 still struggles, check PS5 storage space in PS5 settings. Delete and use PS5 games or PS5 media to free up PS5 system storage. Restart the PS5 and relaunch the PS5 game you're fixing. If the PS5 game crashes, open PS5 settings again. Scroll to PS5 Save Data and Games/App Settings. Select PS5 Save Data for the affected PS5 game. Choose Cloud Storage and download a clean PS5 save file. Try running the PS5 game again to test PS5 performance. If the PS5 problem continues, switch your PS5 to a wired internet setup. Plug an Ethernet cable into the PS5 port to stabilize PS5 updates. Restart the PS5 and open the PS5 game again. If the PS5 still fails, log out and log back into your PS5 account. Restart the PS5 to refresh your PS5 license sync. Go to PS5 Settings Users and Accounts Other. Select Restore Licenses to fix PS5 game verification issues. Once done, restart the PS5 and test the PS5 game again. Most PS5 users find this final PS5 step solves the PS5 game issue instantly. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy smooth PS5 gaming again.